Hello and welcome. I'm Annette Reader from thebiblicalnutritionist.com, and today it's about olive oil. The good, the bad, the ugly, and the tasty. I'm going to give you the key things to look for so you make the best investment in the very best olive oil that you can buy, and your body will thank you. As we start looking at these different olive oils, and there are quite a few to choose from, we are going to see some that are just perfect for you today. But before we do, be sure and hit like, subscribe, and the bell so you and I can stay connected, and you are now part of the Biblical Nutritionist family as soon as you hit that subscribe button. And I love to welcome you. So look at all of these olive oils from the top to the bottom. Which ones are best? Let's start with what you want in it. What you want in that olive oil is you want to know, where is that olive from? Where was those olives picked? Were they from one country, or were they from 3 or 4 countries all combined? Because this is going to make a big difference to your health, because olives contain a polyphenol. In fact, if you get really good olives, you actually can help reduce inflammation and prevent inflammation from building up in your body in the future. Also, a good healthy fat for the good olive oils that I'm going to point out here. When you get a really good olive oil, you actually help your body burn fat. And that is a benefit to everyone. So it's going to boost your metabolism. It's going to improve your immunity. It's going to lessen inflammation. So which olive oil is the olive oil of choice? Number one, we want to know on the label, where is it from? And we want only one country of origin. We do not want a combination of countries as we see here. This one is saying 100% California, so that would be better than this one. But there's some others here that might be even better yet. Now, this olive oil is telling you it can be from any of the following: Argentina, Australia, Chile, Mexico, Morocco, Peru, Portugal, Spain, Tunisia. It could be from any of the following. That is not an olive oil you would want to consume, because we just want it from one place. Now down here, it's giving you the 3 countries of origin that it's from. You still only want one country of origin. Now this bottle here is telling you it's from Mount Tegedos in Sparta, Greece. So you're getting 100% of the olives from that one place. Now, if you're wondering, okay, why do I care about that being from one location? Because it has to do with rancidity and purity of oil. When you have olive oils that don't give you place of origin, they could easily be filled with also corn oil. They could be filled with vegetable oil, soybean oil, all of those, and not be 100% olive oil. Now, this oil is actually imported from Greece. It tells you right there, imported from Greece, and then it has a USDA organic seal. So the USDA organic seal is only for companies in the US. And so the fact that they are abiding by that and they actually have the certified seal means they're going a little bit extra step to make sure it is processed correctly. So the key things we're looking for is it from one country? Does it tell you what country it has been harvested? Does it give you the date of the harvest and the expiration date? The other important issues are, it needs to be in a dark bottle, and you'll see these are all in a dark bottle, but this next to it is not, but that's not claiming to be a pure olive oil. That's a herb infused with roasted garlic in that olive oil. So the fact that that's not a dark bottle is okay, because they're using the light to help with the infusion of the garlic flavoring. Now, when the olive oil is not in a dark bottle, then you have a higher degree of rancidity. And what that does is it creates free radicals in your body, which can be very harmful. Well, I hope this has helped you to find a really good olive oil in your grocery store, or maybe even just go visit an olive grove. We harvested olives when we were in Israel, and it was such a delight just to see, just to get our rakes and to rake them off the trees, and then we took them to a press. It was a very old press, so you got to see just the pressing of the olives, and you got to take home a bottle of freshly pressed, cold pressed olive oil. Olive oil should not taste oily. It should actually have a flavor to it, maybe a bitter or a little bit of a vegetable flavor. It should have flavor, not just be greasy. And remember, a good olive is going to help you to be healthier with less inflammation and to have better mental cognition. So That's what everyone needs. I hope you pay attention to this. And if you need to learn more, use my Treasures of Health Nutrition Manual. I teach all of this in there, and you'll have the answers in front of you anytime you want to look it up. Thanks for letting me serve you God's recipe for excellent health.